Hey dudes, so I just wanted to share with you guys like what I eat in a day, because a lot of people always ask me about how to nutrition plan and what I kind of eat in a day, and I'm super excited because I'm learning all about my current nutrition plan. I'm really digging deep into the bones of it, and I'm figuring out a lot about myself, and I'm kind of going through this whole new program that's coming out really soon, and I'm really excited because it's all about nutrition, all about getting control over your cravings and things like that. So I'm super pumped, and as a result, I'm like going gung ho on my nutrition today. So that being said, I just wanted to share with you guys kind of what my nutrition looks like. So I had a bowl of oatmeal for breakfast with a cup of fruit on top and a little bit of berries. And then I had a shake, which is my protein shake. It also has my vital nutrients and minerals. And then I also had a cup of spinach in there, so a cup of vegetables, as well as, I had juice and ice. And yogurt. So I had another thing, I had another cup of protein in there. So a couple, already 2 portions of protein, 1 portion of vegetables, 1 portion of fruit, basically all of my carbs. And then from there I go to my lunch. So like I usually have this is a portion of vegetables, by the way. So I usually have about 4 or 5 of these a day. So I'm just making my lunch, or my dinner. This is technically my dinner that I'm gonna have. So this is about 2 portions of lettuce, and then from here I do about a portion of cucumber to make up the rest of it. Guys, it's falling over. Portion of cucumber, and then look at that. That's a pretty huge salad. Like, most people are just not doing salad right. Like, if it's big enough, it will be filling. Okay, and then from here, I'm gonna show you what I'm making. I'm making some baked broccoli. Essentially, I just bake it at 375 on convection for about 20 minutes. I touched the oven. And it's essentially just olive oil, thyme, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper. Super delicious. Some of my veggie prep from before. This is what I'm gonna have with my broccoli that I'm making. I'm also going to put this delicious chicken in my salad, which is gonna make it even more delicious. And then I'm just having a little guilty pleasure, some cheddar broccoli rice. Why? Because I believe in balance. So yeah, essentially that's everything I'm gonna eat today. So like I said, I had my oatmeal with my fruit. I'm also gonna have some fruit later with some peanut butter. So obviously, like, that's a lot of food. Like, so I'm gonna have this, I'm gonna have this, I'm gonna have some rice, I'm gonna have this later. I need to eat a bunch of this. And then I also had, and it's 5 o'clock, so that's essentially 2 more meals because I'm eating a late lunch. See how much food that is? Like, a lot of people, when they're like, oh, going on a diet is, means I'm gonna, be starving. But this is not a diet. This is learning how to control your lifestyle, learning how to take ownership over your nutrition, and learning how to have better energy, because when you have constant nutrition, you feel better, you have more energy, and you just want to do things more. So if you have any questions about what the heck I'm talking about, let me know. If you have any need to, if you're looking for some really manageable nutrition tips, let me know, because I have some really good ones for you. That being said, love you guys, have a great day.